Would you like to learn how to save gold and silver and get paid? Hello, my name is George Escola, and on this video, I'm going to present a plan of saving gold and silver on an automatic monthly basis and actually get paid for doing that. So stay tuned till the end and I'll tell you how to get paid. Let's first talk about gold and silver. Gold and silver is real money. It has been used over the past centuries as a medium of exchange, and it has held its value against all currencies over that time. The problem with currencies is they just print more and more of it, and eventually the currencies become worth less and less until they finally go completely out of existence. So with gold and silver, if you have gold and silver, you have real money and you are retaining value for your future and building wealth as you go along. Now, I'm going to introduce a company to you today that has an automatic savings plan, several different membership levels and plans for saving gold and silver. And you can get in for a very reasonable amount. A standard membership is $199. Premium membership is $499, and the difference between that is with the standard plan you get one gem uncirculated silver round, 1 ounce coin of silver as a welcome gift. With the premium plan, you get not only the 1 ounce silver round, but you also get an MS-70 coin. Now, MS-70 is just a rating given by a third party, and MS stands for Mint State, and the 70 is an indication that they found no blemishes at 5x magnification. So it's essentially a perfect coin. These are beautiful coins. If you've ever seen one, you know how beautiful they are. And then there's 3 different monthly savings plans. You get the membership coin shipped to you right away. And then the monthly savings plans, you get to pick when during the month you would like them to be shipped to you. You could pick the 1st of the month or the 15th, and I think there's a couple other dates. But pick the date that fits best for your needs. They have a basic plan that's $105 a month. And for that, you get one of these gem uncirculated silver rounds, 1 ounce. And those can add up to be valuable very quickly. But the variety plan, which is $139 a month, and this is the one we recommend because besides the 1 ounce silver round, you also get an MS-70 coin. And these MS-70 coins, besides having the value of the silver itself, they also have collector value. And some of these MS-70 coins over time have become quite valuable, worth thousands of dollars. Now, there's no guarantee on any of this. We can't promise you anything. But the track record shows that MS-70 coins can become quite valuable and add to your future wealth. So there is one other monthly plan, that's a premium plan. In the premium plan, you could get a gold coin. You can get up to 4 coins total, and one of those will be an MS-70 silver round. So that's something, if you can afford that, that's a terrific program. But we recommend the variety so that you have some future value growing in the MS-70 coins as well as the value of the silver. Now, how do you get paid? Well, this company has what's called a binary compensation plan. Binary just means that there's a right leg and a left leg. I've drawn on the board a representation of how this might look. If this is you, then you need to get one person on the right and one person on the left, and that ranks you up to the associate level. Associate level, once you accumulate points, which you accumulate from both memberships and monthly purchases, certain number of points, and the points go to everybody in the whole line for infinite length, all the way up to you. So if you get points at the associate level, if you get 500 on the right, that's not very good. That's a little more. Okay, so you get 500 on the right and 500 on the left, then you can get paid $500, and the accounting is done at midnight on Saturday. So if at midnight on Saturday you have 500 on each side, you will get paid $500. And this can happen every week. Once you have enough downline so that you're earning that number of points every week, then you get paid. Now the minimum payout, they've just instituted this for the next 6 months, is 250. So when you're starting out, if you have 250 on each side, you can get paid $250. Now, the way you rank up from here is you duplicate this associate pattern below you, like so. One on the left, one on the right, one on the left, one on the right. Okay, when you have 2 associates under you, and then you have 2 more at this level, let me get rid of this. Okay, so you end up with a total of 4 people at the first level and associates at this level. Then you rank up to what they call the copper level. Okay, so then you become ranked at copper. And at this level, when you can accumulate up to 1,000 on each side, and if you have enough people in your downline to get 1,000 points every week, you can earn $1,000 a week. So you can see at this level that you're starting to earn some significant money. Even at the associate level, at 500 a week, you're more than paying for the coins that you're buying. So that's how you get paid to save gold and silver. And I'm gonna leave a link below in a minute so that you can join this pick the plan you want and become a member, and monthly savings that you want. But let me tell you what is happening at this time. I belong to an association of online marketers, and we are promoting this plan. And as people come in and sign up in the plan, we are manually placing people in the downline so that everybody ranks up at the maximum rate. As quick as possible, we want to get everybody ranked to associate, to copper, and even higher levels. So if you sign up right away, you get at a higher level than if you sign up later. And your chance of getting ranked up faster is better if you sign up sooner rather than later. So I'll leave a link below. Click on the link, pick the membership that suits your needs and the monthly savings plan, and I will see you on the inside. Click the link below. Thanks for watching the movie. Bye now.